Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to show you how a new hire approval workflow works. You have several departments, and when these departments need new employees, they have to submit a new hire approval request, and the HR department has to approve that request. And once the request is approved, the HR department can start looking for the needed person. Let me show you how it works. Imagine that I'm from the marketing team and my marketing team needs a designer. So what I have to do, I have to go to Approveit, click New Approval Request here, and select New Hire Approval. Then I have to click Next, and I have to fill the form. I have to specify the team that requires the new hire, let it be marketing, position type, let it be new position, level of experience right here. I also have to specify the responsibilities of a new hire, manager of a new hire, and priority of my request. That's it. I can also view who will be approving my request if I just click over here, and that's it. I can click Send Request. My request has been created. Again, I can see who should be approving my request. I can see all the details right here, and now I just should wait for the approval. Once my request for the designer is approved, the HR team will start looking for one. If I go to Approval Request section, and filter by the workflow called New Hire Approval, I can see all the requests created using that workflow. So I can view my requests right here. If I go inside, I can see all the details and I can download stepped approval confirmation. So each time when you need to check who approved that position or who approved the hiring of a new person, you can always go back to your approval request and check the details. That's how it works. If you still have questions or need help with setting everything up, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.